Which noun is uncountable? Pen, chair, gold, dog. Gold. Gold is a material and cannot be counted. He doesn't have blank friends in this town. Much, little, many, a little. Many. Friends are countable, so we use many. Identify the countable noun. Cheese, water, book, sugar. Book. Books can be counted. I bought 2 blank of bread. Breads, loaves, loaves, loaf. Loaves. The plural of loaf is loaves. Bread is uncountable, but loaves make it countable. She has very blank patience. Many, much, few, several. Much. Patience is uncountable, so we use much. Which is an uncountable noun? Cup, coffee, child, friend. Coffee. Coffee is measured in cups, but it cannot be counted directly. Which noun is uncountable? Furniture, mountain, teacher, bottle. Furniture. Furniture is uncountable. We say a piece of furniture, not furnitures. How blank many do you need? Many, much, few, several. Much. Many is uncountable, so we use much. Which noun is uncountable? Tree, child, weather, country. Weather. Weather is uncountable, not weathers. She has a lot of good blank. Advices, advice, advises, advising. Advices. Advice is uncountable. We never say advices. There isn't blank milk left in the fridge. Many, much, several, few. Much. Milk is uncountable, so much is correct. He doesn't have blank knowledge about history. Many, much, several, a few. Much. Knowledge is uncountable, so we use much. She drank 3 blank of water. Waters, glass, glasses, glasses of. Glasses. Water is uncountable, but it becomes countable when measured in glasses. There are 2 blank mistakes in your essay. Much, many, little, less. Many. Mistakes are countable, so we use many. She has very blank patience with her students. Many, few, little, several. Little. Patience is uncountable, so we use little. Thank you very much. See you in other quizzes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.